Lapit tayo. Smile, baby, you satellite. If perhaps see you move through the night, ain't gonna fire, shoot me right. I'm gonna like the way you fight. Now you found the sea, how cold I'm used to wash away my lonely blues. So I can't deny or lie, 'cause you're the only one who make it fly. A sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. You can give it to me when I need to come along. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. And baby, you can turn me on. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. You can give it to me when I need to come along. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. And baby, you can turn me on. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. You can give it to me when I need to come along. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. And baby, you can turn me on. Miss Rochelle, it's not unusual to be lonely. It's not unusual to have fun with anyone. When I see you hanging out with anyone, it's not unusual to see you cry. Oh, it's not unusual to go out in such a night. When I see you out and about, it's such a fun. If you ever want to be loved by anyone, it's not unusual. It happens every day. No matter what they say, but it happens all the time. Love will never do what you want me to. Yeah, this crazy love. You don't have to be to turn on me. I just need your love, baby. From dusk to dawn. You don't need to turn me on. Just leave it all to me. We can have a good time. You don't have to be my girl. You don't have to be my girl. Ain't no one to put aside. I want that moment. I just want your sweet time. To be my girl. You don't have to be my girl. Ain't no one to put aside. I want that moment. I just want your extra time and yours.
Wag!
Kid. Kaibigan, thank you so much. Rochelle, pakinggan.
Ayun na rin yung maganda.
Salamat.
Thank you.
The one that we know me, Rochelle.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat.
Ayan, at thank you sa pag-invite sa akin dito, Mark.
Maraming salamat. Thank you for...
Alam niyo po bang itong taong to ay napaka-professional at wala akong masabi sa kabaitan itong taong to. Kaya nandito kaming lahat para sa kanya.
Alam niyo po, talagang sabi ko, pwede ka ba mag-guest sa akin, Shell? Talagang wala siyang dalawang isip. Talagang pumunta siya at pumayag siya. Kasi alam ko na ikaw lang nag-iisang dance floor queen. Alam niyo po, akala niyo that was the best of her, hindi pa po. Parang kakagising lang na actually. So pag gising niya, okay. Ganun lang siya. Memorize niya yan. But di niyo pa siya nakitang tumamli lahat. But sobrang flexible lahat. Ang galing ko na dancer at ang bait-bait. Once again, a round of applause is for Miss Michelle.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Okay. Gusto mo na bumaba? Ito pa. Wow. Thank you, thank you. Alright. Kanina, sana kasya itong damit ko. Huwag naman tayong pahiin. Kaya natin to. Okay. Dapat ganito yan. Parang hindi pa naman nasukat ito. Well, thank you, Abel Bacudio, for this one. Kanina yung suot ko, M. Boleto. Thank you, maraming salamat. Babait na kaibigan. Si Abel, umalis eh, nasa Canada. So, kaya siguro medyo... But thank you, ang ganda. Anyway, itong next na gagawin ko is actually a favorite of my mom. Andito sila ngayon, galing po ng Cagayan de Oro, lumipat po para sa show na ito. Kanina na po sila dumating. So, Mama, Papa, ayun. Ayun po sila. Kinakabahan sila kanina pa. At actually, nung last week pa, naku, Mark, may mga nanonood kaya sa show mo. So, ganyan sila. Sobrang supportive po. Pero nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon at sa inyong lahat. Dahil hindi niyo ako binigo ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat from the bottom of my heart. I love you. Thank you.
I love you, Mark!
And friends,
I love you, Mark!
Alright. Bago po maubos ang hininga dito sa stroke ko, gusto ko i-share sa inyo itong song na ito, okay? Mama, para sa iyo. Mama, para sa iyo. Here we go.
Ayaw na
Moon, river, wide I'm crossing this time someday. You dream maker, your heart breaker. Wherever you're going, I'm going your way. Two drifters, all to see the world. There's such a lot of world to see. We're out of time. The same windows and waiting. My huckleberry friend.
Lagyan ko kayo ng ano.
River
Gusto ko na mahaba eh.
and
Yaan mo. Pag napasaya na ako ng malaki, makaganyan tayo kada. Sigaw! Sigaw!
Sabihin mo kay Lola kung walang maganda.
Walang makakita. Na-record ko yung kanina, hindi na din yung kanina.
Na-record naman.
Previous mo.
Check ko pag
Hindi na din tapos may red.
winters all to see the world. The sunshine of the world to see without the rainbows and wave around the bend. My huckleberry friend, moon, river.
Nilayo pala doon yung buwan namin. Nasa 29 lang. Bakit? February 29. Pinalis ko na din sila. Kasi,
Maraming salamat po. Itong next na guest natin,
anak ko na naman.
sobrang
Tayo
honored ko
naman.
na makasama siya sa isang stage. Dati talagang yung mga songs na kinakanta namin ng band ko dati, nung nabubuhay band ako, sa lounge, lahat nung nag-umpisa pa lang ako talagang hindi pwedeng hindi makanta yung